Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report and all. So basically here we can see that so we have the table visible within this, we have the region wise sales amount, and also we have the year slicer as well as card visible. So here the requirement is, so in slicer we have the different values like 2001, 2, 3, 4. Likewise we have the different values. For example, when the user select at least one value, I need to display the selected value. Okay, what are the values we are selecting in the slicer we are trying to show in the card visible. If the user did not select anything, for example, if the user did not select any value from the slicer, we need to display so some kind of message like please select here. In case if the user select all the years, for example, if the user select all 4 years, we need to display some other message. Okay, how to achieve this kind of requirement? So we are going to see in today's video. First we'll try to see the demo whether it is working or not. Okay, for example, here I'm not selecting any value, so then I'm displaying please select here some kind of message. In case if I select one value, means I'm displaying the what are the value I have selected in the slicer. Same thing I'm displaying in the card visual. If the user select multiple values, I'm trying to display so all the values by taking the comma separation. In case if the user select 4 values, all values at a time, I need to display some other text message. Instead of displaying all the values, I'm displaying some kind of text message. Okay, so likewise we have the requirement. Sometimes we'll get this kind of requirements, so that is the reason I have created a video for this. First we'll try to understand so what kind of logic I have written to get this expected output. It's very simple only. We will try to see that. So go to the measure. So try to zoom in so that we can see clearly. Okay, so here also I have declared some couple of variables. So for the output purpose we'll try to see one by one. So the first one variable is selection. So here what I'm doing, what are the value we have selected in the slicer we are trying to capture into this variable. So and also, so basically we know that selected value function take two parameters. One is column name, another one is alternate result. In the alternate result, I am trying to take the count of the values in the year column. Okay, what are the count available in the year column? I am trying to take and storing into this variable. Again, I am trying to take one more variable. So in this variable, I am trying to take count of the year values. Okay, what are the values available in the slicer? I am trying to take into the count and storing into this variable. Again, I have declared one more variable. Here I'm just implementing some conditions like if the year value is getting filtered. Okay, so if the filters are there in the year value, the control will go to the inside. Okay, so if there is no filter on the year column, we are displaying please select here. Okay, if we did not select any one of the value in the year slicer, we are trying to display please select here. Okay, for example, if the user select at least one value, so we are trying to display so what are the value we are selected. In case if it's trying to select more than one value, we are trying to display by concatenating all the values in the card visual. So again here we are writing one more condition. So selection not equal to count total. Okay, what are the values we are storing? If that is not equal to, we are trying to concatenate all the values by taking the comma separation. So likewise we are displaying so expected output. So now it's giving so correctly only. For example, if I'm not selecting any value in the slicer, we are displaying please select here. In case if I select one value, so same thing. In case multiple values also, we are separating by comma. And in case if I select all values, we are displaying some other text message. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. So we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys.